Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Honor Magic 8 Pro and the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Both pack cutting-edge displays and powerhouse chipsets, but which one truly dominates? Well, the Magic 8 Pro's massive 6.71-inch LTPO OLED with jaw-dropping 6,000 nits peak brightness outshine the Pixel's sharper 495 ppi density screen? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip in Honor beat Google's Tensor G5 in real-world performance? What about cameras? Does the Pixel's 200MP periscope zoom trump Honor's versatile triple 50-megapixel setup? And battery life? Does the Magic 8 Pro's colossal 7,200 mAh battery leave the Pixel's 4,870 mAh in the dust? Stick around as we break down display, platform, camera, battery, and more. So who really deserves your money? The flashy Honor or the refined Pixel? Let's dive in and find out, starting with displays. The Honor Magic 8 Pro boasts a larger 6.71-inch LTPO OLED panel with an outstanding peak brightness of 6,000 nits, perfect for blazing sunlight visibility. It also features AI circadian night display and advanced eye protection tech, making it a winner for long-term comfort and vivid visuals. The Pixel 10 Pro, while slightly smaller at 6.3 inches, offers a brighter 3,300 nits peak and HDR10 Plus support, plus an adaptive refresh rate that smoothly scales between 60 to 120 Hz for better battery efficiency. However, Honor's combination of size, peak brightness, and AI-driven eye care takes the crown here. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, featuring a powerful octa-core CPU with 2 cores clocked at 4.6 GHz, promising blazing fast performance and efficiency. The Pixel 10 Pro runs on Google's Tensor G5, also 3nm, but with a different core setup focused on AI tasks. For raw power and gaming, Honor's Adreno 840 GPU outperforms the Pixel's Imagination Power VR DXT48, making it the better choice for heavy multitasking and graphics. When it comes to special features, the Honor Magic 8 Pro shines with emergency SOS via satellite, a dedicated AI button for smarter interactions, and its robust giant Rhino glass for durability. The Pixel 10 Pro counters with Titan M2 security for top-notch privacy, ultra-wideband support for precise device tracking, and innovative Magic Q conversational editing for photos. Both bring unique perks, but Honor's focus on emergency connectivity and AI controls offers a practical edge for everyday users. In cameras, the Pixel 10 Pro's standout is its massive 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, delivering unparalleled zoom clarity and detail. Honor Magic 8 Pro counters with a versatile triple 50MP setup, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, all with multi-directional PDAF and OIS, making it a solid all-rounder. For sheer zoom power and resolution, the Pixel takes the lead, especially for photography enthusiasts craving detailed distant shots. Looking at camera features, the Pixel 10 Pro offers advanced tools like Pixel Shift for ultra-high detail, ProRes zoom up to 100 times, and intelligent object removal, making it a powerhouse for creative photography. Honor's AI Super Zoom and Seamless Zoom provide smooth transitions and enhanced zoom quality, plus unique modes like Harcourt Portrait. The Pixel's professional-grade features give it a creative advantage for serious shooters. Battery-wise, Honor Magic 8 Pro packs a massive 7,200 mAh Li-ion battery, promising extended usage that easily outlasts the Pixel 10 Pro's 4,870 mAh. This means less frequent charging and more freedom on the go, a crucial factor for power users and travelers. In terms of durability, both phones offer IP68 dust and water resistance. But Honor goes a step further with IP69 rating, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets and deeper immersion, offering extra peace of mind for rough conditions. For memory, Honor provides options from 256 GB with 12 GB RAM up to a whopping 1 TB with 16 GB RAM, catering to heavy multitaskers and storage. Lovers, Pixel's configurations max out at 1 terabyte but standardize on 16 gigabytes RAM, focusing on consistent high-end performance. Honor's flexible RAM options offer more tailored choices for different needs. Finally, pricing. The Honor Magic 8 Pro comes in at a competitive $850, undercutting the Google Pixel 10 Pro's $999 price tag. For those balancing budget with performance, Honor presents a compelling value proposition without sacrificing flagship features.